Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will explore one of the most debated topics and periods in the history of Islamic jurisprudence, the period of intellectual decline. This period roughly began around the 10th century and lasted for several centuries. It is often characterized by a slowdown in independent legal reasoning, known as ijtihad, and a growing reliance on established legal schools.
After the golden age of Islamic scholarship, where great imams developed legal methodologies, the Muslim world experienced political fragmentation. Major empires weakened, such as the Abbasid Caliphate, and external pressures like the Mongol invasion disrupted intellectual centers. As a result, scholars began to focus more on preserving existing knowledge rather than developing new interpretation.
During this period, Islamic law did not stop developing, but its method of formation changed. Instead of ijtihad, scholars emphasized taqlid, meaning adherence to stabilized legal school like Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi'i, and Hanbali. Legal works became more about commentaries, summaries, codification of earlier opinions. This created a stable legal system, but it also limited flexibility and innovation.
There are several key characteristics of this period. The first one, the closing of the gate of ijtihad, whether fully true or not, symbolized reduced independent reasoning. Second, scholars become highly specialized within their own madhab, sometimes rejecting other opinions. Third, political authorities often influence legal institutions, making scholars less independent. However, it is important to note that this period still preserves Islamic law and ensure its continuity.
Although it is called a decline, some scholars argue that this period was not entirely negative. It provided legal stability, systematic documentation, and also the preservation of classical scholarship. Eventually, this period led to a new phase, which is the revival of Islamic jurisprudence, where scholars began rethinking the role of ijtihad in the modern world.
In conclusion, the period of intellectual decline shows how Islamic law adapted to changing circumstances, balancing preservation and the need for renewal. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.